Hello, Education 570, and thank you for your work on Module 1. It was really fun to get to know you through your different presentations, and thank you for trying some new tools. I saw several Prezis that were used, and people commenting that that was the first time that they had used that. Thank you for trying a new tool. That's awesome. Thank you. Keep that up. Also, lots of good responding going back and forth on the message boards. Please keep that up as well. You will notice that we're going to check out Module 2 at this time. So let's check out Module 2. Where is technology going? You're going to describe strategies for following and evaluating tools, explore technology usage and integration. Module 2's introduction is here. Please make sure that you take some time to read through the information that's posted for Module 2's introduction. As far as the changing world, where technology might be headed, an overview of the module as well. The required readings are posted here. I'm hearing that some of the links are not working. I'm checking into that with the course designer, so please bear with us. Please use the ones that are working for now. I apologize for the ones that are not working or not live links at this time, or website may have moved, so thank you for those who have shared that information. There's a video here, another video. Please read through the articles that are required. There's optional reading as well, and some technology resources. And there are two assignments. 2.1 discussion, strategies for selecting technology. It's kind of a lot of information, lots of technology out there. The key is picking the technology that works best for you, that's going to help you meet your learning targets with your students. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some time to actually think through how that works best, how we can best use technology, which tools to use, and why. So the readings have offered some ideas, and what I'd like you to do is respond to that. In your initial post, share some of the items you found interesting that might have potential, and then make sure that you respond to 2 other people as well. This is a regular week, so Wednesday is when the first post is due, Wednesday at midnight, and then Sunday at midnight for your responses. Thanks for hanging in there with that first week. Starting on a Wednesday is always kind of a rough start for the course. I appreciate you hanging in there. We'll get started with a regular week this week. The next thing is our Technology in Action project. Learning to teach and learn with technology involves using it. So you're going to get some examples here. This time it's about AEA Online. I want you to play with at least 2 of the technology tools and then post an initial post for one of the 2 options. Okay? So you're going to pick, one of the tools that you're going to write about. Your initial post will include 3 parts. Why would you use this product? An example, so put a screenshot or a screencast or a link, and how will you put this product into action in your classroom? Okay, Iowa AEA Online, how to get into this. You're going to pick out 2 that you want to just try, 2 tools, and then you're just going to post about one of them, answering these questions. Your response due by Wednesday at midnight, the other 2 responses to others by Sunday at midnight. The assignment guidelines and rubrics are there, as well as the questions. Anyone, if you have any questions, looking forward to a great week with you. Keep up the great work, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.